All right. Now look at this dashboard. From 27, sorry, now from 5727 rows of raw data, we now have this. Four numbers at the top, two charts below. That's it. Everything a CEO or a manager needs to understand the entire business performance of in 4 years on one single screen. Let me walk you through this. These four numbers on the top, we call them as a KPIs. KPI means key performance indicator. These are the most important numbers in the business. Let me explain each one. First one is total sales. This is the total money that came into the business over 4 years. $1.28 million in revenue. But wait, is this good or bad? We don't know yet. We need to compare it with something. That's why we have the next number here, the total profit. Out of 1.28 million in sales, the company kept only 272K as a profit. That means 1 million went to product cost, shipping, and the operations. Profit is what the company actually earned. This is the real success matrix. Okay, now let's understand what is the profit margin. Profit divides by the sales. For every 100 rupees of sales, company keeps 21 rupees. Okay, so this is called a margin. The higher this number, the healthier the business. 21% is decent, but not great. It's not bad. We will investigate this more. Now the next is 21.9 K units sold. So 21,900 approx product were sold over 4 years. This tells us the volume of a business. High value with low margin means we need to sell a lot to survive, right? And low volume with high margin. Low volume with high margin. I'm repeating this. Means each sale is very valuable. Now, the next step, I hope these four KPIs are clear to you. Now, step two. Step two is something like reading this line chart. How to interpret this line chart. Let's understand this. Now, look at this solid blue line. This solid blue line represents the sales. And this green dotted line, right? This one. This is represent the profit. Both lines are going up. If you can see here, in 2011, we have the profit is 55K and here we have the 90. So this is also going from 55 to 90, and from this, it is from 262 to 430. So these both lines are going up. So what does it tell you? It tells the business is growing every year, both revenue and the profit. So that's the healthy business sign. Okay. But notice something very carefully here. The sales line is going up very fast. Okay. But the profit line here, it's growing very slow. And it stays very close to the bottom. Why? The reason is we have the profit margin only 21% of the sales. So even though if we selling more, costs are also rising. The gap between these two lines, that's what your cost problem. And the smart analyst would say sales are growing, but we need to control cost to grow profit fast. Are you able to interpret this particular line chart? Okay, good. So now reading the cluster, this is the right chart. This is the cluster bar chart. Quarterly profit distribution we are seeing here. So now look at this chart. Each group of bar is 1 quarter. Like this is the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. And these colors are representing the year. The 4 shades of blue represent the 4 years. 2011, 12, 13 and 14. The darker the bar, more recent the years. Something like that. Sorry, lighter the bar, more recent the years. Now what pattern you see here? Look at quarter 4. Those bars, look at this quarter 4. Those bars are the tallest among Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Q4 is the strongest quarter. Why? Think about it. October, November, December, what happens? Festive seasons, maybe Christmas, end of the year promotions. So customers are buying more because we are saying the quantity profit distribution, right? So this is called the seasonality. And every smart business plans for it. More inventory in quarter 3, bigger marketing budget in quarter 4. You can understand this kind of business. So these two chart and these 4 KPIs, what is the business story? What this dashboard is telling the CEO. So if I am the CEO and I open this dashboard in the morning, here is what I know under 30 seconds. My business made $1.28 million in 4 years. I kept $272 as a profit, 21% margin. I am growing every year, which is good, but my profit growth is slower than my sales growth. So I need to review my cost structure. My best quarter is always quarter 4. So I should plan big sales campaign for quarter 4 every year. That's a complete business conversation from this single screen. I hope this is making sense to you. Right? So this is the difference between a dashboard and a business conversation. Data is not about charts. It's about decisions. If your dashboard cannot answer a business question, it is just a visual. And this is exactly we focus on at QriusAI. Think beyond the tool. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.